Hi everyone, I am your Naveen, social science teacher of grade 10. In previous class, we were discussing about social resource reform movement, social and religious reform movement we were discussing. Under that, we have discussed about what is the reason for social reformation, how it has done. And the part of that, we could have discussed about Brahma Samaj and its importance aspects of Brahma Samaj. In today's class, I am going to talk about Young Bengal movement. See, in the social reforms movement, what we have that has started in every way, the most part of it we can say as the North India part. So the Young Bengal movement, the wave of modernization, started moving across the North India during 19th century. Calcutta was the center of this new thinking. Means what are the new thinking ability? It was, we can say, as a Calcutta as a main center for that. And moreover, new movements started arising during, we can say, as it is a 1820s and 1830s. We have already learnt about the contribution of Brahma Samaj. During this period, another movement called, that is Young Bengal movement, that is took birth. This movement was started by Henry Louis Vivan Derzoya in the year of 1809 and up to the 1809 to 1831. His father, actually we can say as a whatever the Derzoy, his father was a Portuguese and mother was Indian. Hence, we can call Derozia is called as Anglo-Indian. Derozia served as a professor at Hindu College of Calcutta from the year 1826 to 1831. Many of students who were attracted to his teaching became committed his followers. He was influenced by the various movements of Europe and tried to instill the same spirit of free inquiry in the minds of his students and colleges. He also worked towards creating textbooks to inculcate new education system, new education system also. This angered many traditionalists, but still he went ahead, started Academy Association, that is in the year of 1828. It's a free thinking debate association which created a new thinking across Bengal. The Young Bengal movement held discussion and debates on issues like nature, humanism, God, and other various topics. He worked towards spreading messages that only rational thinking would be liberate would liberate people from the cultures of superstitious and social discrimination. He was an advocate of women rights and opposed caste based discrimination. Uh, Many of his students who had come from traditional families were deeply influenced by his thoughts and joined their hands in spreading the movement across Bengal. The influence of this movement was limited to Calcutta and few areas in Bengal. He had to resign his teaching profession due to pressure from his colleagues and his opponents. These people feared that the young getting morally corrupted by the work of Derozio died at the young age of 22 years due to cholera. Next we are going to talk about Arya Samaj. The Arya Samaj was started in the year of 1875 by Dayananda Saraswati, and this started in Bombay. It is more powerful during the last 2 decades of 19th century. Dayananda Saraswati was born in 1824 in Kathiawar of Gujarat. His name was Mula Shankara. His father was Amba Shankara Tiwari and mother Amruta Bai. Since he was not interested in English education, he received Sanskrit education. He left house by the age of 21 years. He outlined the ideas in a book titled Satyartha Prakasha. He realized that the remedies of the various maladies of India are the present in Veda. Hence, he declared that back to Vedas. And he opened a head office of Arya Samaj in Lahore in the year of 1877. He declared that only Vedas are authentic in here. What are the aims of Arya Samaj we can see here? Arya Samaj, according to Arya Samaj, all Hindus believe is one formulas of God. No one is a Shuddha or Brahmin by birth, and caste based system was rejected. And he encouraged to intercaste marriage, rejection of polygamy and child marriage. Men and women are equal. One should study Vedas and other ancient important text and preach them. Shuddhi movements was one of the important programs of Arya Samaj. What is this Shuddhi movement? The Shuddhi movement aimed at reconversion of people who had to convert it to Islam and Christianity from Hinduism to back to Hinduism. Cow Protection Association was started to protect cows. Arya Samaj had around 5 lakh members by 1921. After the death of Dayananda Saraswati, Anglo-Vedic College was started in 1886. Gurukula Vidyalaya was started in Haridwar. This is about Arya Samaj. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.